look goofy. I look goofy. Look.
Iron City. Waynesboro.
Naka-post yan?
Shit. Hindi ko pa sa ano lang to sa cellphone.
Oh,
Free na dito. Yes. Okay. Go. Go, mi negro.
Follow
Wait,
me.
I'm
Follow me.
laglag.
follow me.
I'm
Ow!
laglag.
Ano ba pinili mo? Ano? Device? Grenade.
Just say Vivo. Next.
Ano? High quality yan? Sure ka?
I'm pretty sure I have.
High quality
I'm
yan?
pretty sure I have my freaking. Let me check. I'm pretty sure I have my freaking graphics. I knew it. I knew this negro would do this.
Wala rin yan. Free. Try me.
Wow.
Tornado warning.
Big tornado. Pupunta kaya ka sa loob?
Wag, lilipad ka dyan. Tingnan mo. I believe I can fly ka dyan.
Has issued a tornado warning for
Ay, wala.
Grand Nacho. Lawrenceburg.
Vortices lang yan.
Waynesboro.
Pag ganyan.
Puti.
Yan, lalala ko yun. Mo. Tumingil, bakit? Where are you? Go inside the tornado, bro.
Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do.
You got sling. Where are you? In the freaking middle.
Doon pa din ako sa may spawn. Dumiretso lang ako papunta dito sa tatlong tornado.
I can't see you.
Papunta na ako sa mga tornado.
Hindi yan tornadoes. Ano lang yan? Nagagawa lang ng tornado. Wall cloud. That's a freaking
Oh,
wall
fuck.
cloud.
Saan ba yung tornado?
Mamaya pa yan magagawa.
Just chat me. Hello, mi negro!
I experienced it. I'm too fast. Right. What's your name? Ow!
Free
Weather
mode.
Service has issued a tornado warning for
Daming wall
Grand
cloud.
Nacho.
Hindi na magkukurang sa takot. Umalis ka na dyan. May tornado na. Umalis ka na dyan.
As you can see.
Tornado, oy!
As you can see. Chat ko din. Certified Discord mod. I don't even know how to play this game,
Tornado warning.
but it's good game.
Then I use the alpha fiber.
But what can I buy with this?
You can buy this. Oh my! I see you. Normal. Oh shit. May 191. Ano na? Na start in this ship. Going the farther than the tornado. Follow you. Just follow me. I'm here. I'm here. Where are you?
Okay, dito ako mag-spawn.
Where? Be careful in the car if you do it.
Wobbly wiggly, wobbly wiggly, wobbly wiggly. Bro. Just chat so they can see that you're still in the game.
Oh, shit.
As you can see guys, this is what that looks like from real life. I'm actually recording right now with my phone.
I crashed.
Magkano ka lang, ano ka lang, sabihin mo mga dot. Kunyari na wala ka. Wala kang nakita.
Bro, I'm not dead. Bro, I'm not dead.
Sabihin mo I'm not dead si Chan.
Uy. Nag-i-intercept ako muna.
Okay! Kunyari, isang Dominator 3 ako. Kaya ka to kasi may Dominator. Ganito lang ako. Tignan, drip.
Beep. Dito yung may screen cap.
Nag-oro farm.
Tornado.
Oro farming.
Start.
Let's just play for 15 minutes, I guess, maybe. And then we'll do part 2 tomorrow. 15 minutes. Push. Just meet me at 6 p.m. tomorrow. If you're playing Tornadoes again, I will invite you to CCT. And join me because that means we're gonna record another video of Tornadoes.
Be careful from physics. The game is goofy.
Bakit ano pwede ka mag-drip?
It can be. I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Martin, what? My part!
See?
Diyan nga yung tornado punch.
Mag-aura para malit ako. Saan papunta? Where the part am I, by the way?
Check on your radar.
How? Alright, that's me.
Tornado punch.
This shit. Alright. Oh, part. This shit coming for me. I'm literally right there.
Haba. Nandito ako sa Greensboro. Bigyan na natin.
Sabihin ko, if you all want screenshot, you can see this. Oh,
Look at that. I got what you want. I got that. I got what you want. Bro, the tornado is still working.
hawak.
Sarado ko muna. just want. Kung pwede mo biling na isug. Kapag gusto mo, hindi naman yung mag-drift.
Nice. Free med.
Nasa highway 81 ako.
Oo nga, no?
Nasa highway 81 ako.
Oh, shesh!
Saan ka?
Nag-drip ako sa tubig.
Enjoy. Saan ka?
Ano, no?
Ay, hindi ko ito. Nakita na kita. Stop there. Ay, here.
Free med. Free med.
Ano, Dylan? Hindi ko mabili ko ito. Saan ko? Saan ko? I think Ow! I'm stuck. Ow! Okay.
Jer tuloy. Tara. Okay. Okay, susundan kita. Wait lang. Inubin ko si Kat.
Go!
Ow!
Pero punta tayo doon sa may tornado. Parang nandito ako sa Pampal. I mean, a little city.
1,000. Wait lang.
Ba't mas malaki pa yung mga kotse kaysa sa itong bahay dito?
Yung. Uy, tornado. Wag mo. Tornado.
Oh, that's so close to me. Saan pa
Coming
punta?
towards me.
Ora farm ako dyan. Dito ako sa tabi. Ora farm. Sheesh! Ora farm. Sabihin mo. I got something in the tornado. I got black, I got white, but tornadoes one. I doesn't have a bit of Tara, sabihin na natin. Magbabay na tayo. 15 minutes na. Sabihin mo bye guys. Wait lang. Pag sinabi ko,